Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abule. Today I am on the Lagos Badagry Expressway and I am here to show you an update on the construction of the second phase of the Lagos State Blue Line. Presently, I'm right here at Okokomaiko, and as you can see behind me, that is the Okokomaiko train station right behind me. We'll be starting from Okoko and we'll be looking at the train stations for the second phase of the Lagos Blue Line. And we'll also be looking at the overhead bridges that will be constructed. There are 3 bridges that will be constructed, one at Iyana-Iba, the second at Alakija, and the third one at Maza-Maza. So we'll be looking at the construction of those bridges and see the level of construction achieved so far as at the end of 2024. So guys, follow me and let's go. Level of construction achieved so far on the Okoko train station. As you can see right in front of me, right here at Okoko, there will be a depot for the trains as well. After the Okoko train station, we are heading to the LASU train station to see the level of construction achieved there as well. Then from there, we'll be moving to Volks. There will be another train station at Volks, and from there we'll see what we can do. So guys, follow me along and let's head to LASU to see the level of work achieved so far at that end also. So guys, I'm currently at LASU Gate right now. To my left is the LASU Gate, and behind me, far behind me, let me try and raise the camera, is where the train station is going to be right here at LASU. I'll be going there and I'll be showing you what is actually happening there and how the construction is taking shape. The level of construction achieved so far right there on the train station. But for those who don't know, this behind me here is the LASU Gate, and just a little behind is Iyana-Iba. So that's the Iyana-Iba interchange and the Iyana-Iba flyover. So just ahead is where the train station is going to be located, right here at LASU. I'm currently between LASU Gate and Alaba Rago, which is the location for the train station here. Traders from Alaba Rago market have taken over a significant portion of the road here. Hopefully, this area will be cleared once construction is completed. You might recall that Alaba Rago market was demolished months ago. Construction for the new market is presently ongoing. Next, I will be heading to Iyana-Iba, site for the first bridge of the Lagos Blueline Rail Project Phase 2 coming from Okokomaiko. Let's take a walk through to assess the construction progress. So guys, I'm currently at Volks, and this is the structure achieved so far on the Volks station. This is where the Volks train station will actually be located, and that is the construction you are actually seeing behind me. So you can see the construction right there behind me. That's the Volks train station for the Lagos Blueline Phase 2. And let me turn around so you can see there is a pedestrian bridge right behind me right there. I'm now in Abule Ado. Before arriving, I passed the Tradefair station under construction. Its progress mirrors that of Volks, LASU and Okoko stations. Here, the station site is in between Abule Ado and Alakija, but more closer to Abule Ado. The construction of the station here is far ahead from other stations I've been to so far. So guys, I'm presently at Alakija, and you can see the construction of the bridge is taking shape. The last time I was here, this wasn't completed, but now it's looking like it's been completed. I'll have to cross to the other side of the road to see the level of work that has been done there as well. So this is how Alakija is presently looking like as at the end of 2024 for the Lagos Blueline Phase 2 project. Here we can see the installation of drainage slabs, which is what is being done here presently. Moving on to Agboju, another station is under construction here. Construction works here at this station seems to be far ahead of other stations on this project from the other stations I've been to so far. Finally, I'm at Maza-Maza, site of the third bridge for the Lagos Blueline Rail Project Phase 2. There was an old bridge here before which was demolished, and a new one will be constructed here. That concludes my December 2024 update on the Lagos Blueline Rail Project Phase 2. Make sure to subscribe, share and like this video. And please share your thoughts in the comment section about what you think about the construction on the Phase 2 of the Lagos Blueline Rail Project. See you in my next video.